Hello guys, Nostalgic Gaming here, back with another video. Today we're going to be going over how to fix Xbox 360 games. And there was one specific game that was brought to my attention, which it's a pretty good title. So if I fix this game, it should fix the majority of the Xbox 360 games, except the ones that are not compatible with the emulator yet. So I'm going to launch the game and show you what I'm talking about. Launch it, please. Go to console. Xbox 16. I'll give the voice has screen time issues, but it's playable to a good point. Reject Ninja Gaiden 2. Check out. Now this is 34 takes. That's fine so far. Until you get to the video where it's showing the character in house is going on, then you really notice what they're talking about.
So, let me get this
Alright,
straight.
take a look at the hair, how it's bouncing,
You don't have a clue where
the
I
head,
found Ryu Hayabusa?
the eyes,
No
this
one
person.
knows where a ninja goes. If he isn't at the Hayabusa village, he could be halfway around the world. Sonia, was it? Do you have business with Ryu?
I do.
And what might that be?
All I'll say is that it concerns the Archfiend.
Oh, the Archfiend.
See how all that shows non-playable. Like, what is going on right now? I'm sure you guys get the picture. There is no picture, but like, y'all get what I'm trying to say. This game is not playable at all. We're gonna see if we can get to the actual gameplay part. We can see how playable it is.
We have learned. I expected more, Ryu Hayabusa.
There you go. So right here, I'm supposed to be moving my character. As you can see, I'm taking damage. Not playable, guys. So we're gonna exit. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. So I'll have a stream deck, so I can just open up my Xbox 360 config file, but I'm going to show you for those who don't have it. So you go into your RetroBeast D drive, 64 coin ops, emulators, scroll all the way down, find Xenia, open that up. You're gonna open up Xenia Canary config, and this is what it looks like for me. Yours will look like this. Notepad. I don't like the way this looks, so I recommend that you download Notepad++. So I'm gonna show you how to download Notepad++. You wanna open your browser, type in Notepad++, go to the first page, go to download, and then download the top one. Just hit that, hit that. There you go. You go ahead and save it, double click it, install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it. So once you have that set up, you're going to want to right click it, open with, and you should see Notepad. And there you go. So what Notepad does, it changes colors, and it helps you edit stuff a little better by color coding it, and then by having a number right here. So first thing we need to do, if you have no audio, you want to set this to false, because maybe your audio is being muted. Second thing you want to do, go into the GPU. So where's GPU? There you go. Here's GPU number 132. You see where it says clear memory page state, and it says false. You want to set that to true. There you go. This is also what Notepad does. It helps you. You just press enter. After you're done that, you're gonna go to project protect zero false. So here you go. We're gonna find that. You can search right here, find, and you're gonna click protect. Protect. There you go. And then find next, next. See where it says protect zero, so number 345 for you. You want to set that to false. Enter. There you go. Now, last thing you need to do is, well, there's two more things to do. You want to find vsync, so back up to the search. Find vsync. There you go. And now we just need to find next. There you go. Vsync number 259. Set that to false. There you go. And lastly, you want to go to DL right here, number 70. You want to go into right here. It says allow, so number 72. Allow variable refresh rate. You want to set that to false. By default, it's on true, so set that to false. Hit enter. You can close out of here, and then hit save right here. Always remember to save it. Exit, and there you go. That's how you fix them. Now let's test the same game. So I'm gonna look for it. Again, no skipping, you guys. This is all showing you in real life, real time. Xbox 360. I'm gonna scroll down to the O because it's quicker to find it in the O because you go up once. And now we just test the game out. Alright, what's that happen?
So, let
And
me
there
get
you
this
go.
straight.
Hair's not bouncing around.
You don't have a
She has the
clue
eyes
what's in front
attached
of
to her
you,
face. That's
Hayabusa?
already a good sign.
No one knows where a ninja goes. If he isn't at the Hayabusa village, he could be halfway around the world. Sonia, was it? Do you have business with Ryu?
I do.
And what might that be?
All I'll say is that it concerns the Archfiend.
Oh, the Archfiend.
There you go. We weren't able to see any of that earlier. None of this was visible before the fix. It's just to show you guys. No BS over here. Gonna get to the gameplay part so I can show you how it actually plays.
I expected more, you Hayabusa.
Alright, now time to play. As you can see, now I can actually see my screen. Let's slay these guys. There you go, you guys. That's how you fix it. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And we out. Peace.